Okay, everybody, so here we are. I've had a lot of questions about the pattern that I use for the two-piece bears, and this is the easiest pattern that I've ever found, and I did not create it. This site here is where I found it, Carol Zoo, and right here is the website that you need to go to. And when you get into the website, then you just need to click on Patterns. And inside Patterns, they have the Barrett patterns here. There's a few different ones. So the family is the one that I purchased, and I purchased the PDF download so I could just get it instantly. If you don't have a printer or those capabilities to be able to print it, then you can order the actual pattern too, and they'll ship it to you. I'm not sure how much the shipping is since I didn't go that route. So the instant download is $8 US dollars, and I also have this pattern here, which is the Barrett. It's basically the smaller version of the bear family. So the bear family, the one that is the most popular, that I make the most, is the Papa Bear, and he's the biggest one. Then there's a medium size, which is the mama bear. I use that when I run into people that have really small, like extra small garments. And then they've got the baby bear, and I very rarely ever use that one. So the most popular by far is the Papa Bear, and usually even with an extra small garment, if it's long sleeves, you can obtain enough material within that garment to be able to make that pattern work. Um, so anyway, this is where you go, carolzoo.com, and you go into the top up here into patterns, and then you can either get the PDF instant download, or you can have them ship you the pattern and go that route. So hopefully that helps you guys out. If you have any questions, post them below.